Hello, my name is Nicole Wolcott, and I am on the policy team with Ohio Ecological Food and Farm Association. In this quick video, I'll be showing you ways on how to communicate with your members of Congress on social media. Most members of Congress have at least a Twitter and Instagram account. To find your member of Congress's social media pages, you can just search for them on social media or navigate to their websites where they're listed. On OEFFA's website, we also have a neat site where you can take a look at who your members of Congress are if you don't already know. Keep in mind when you're navigating to their social media pages, you should use their political-based pages, not their social media accounts that are for personal uses. Starting with Instagram, you can make a story or a post. If you need help with an image, let us know. Here I am putting in an image I am using and finding my representative with their name to mention them. For instance, my local congressperson is Representative Greg Landsman. You can also do this with the general post by tagging them in the image and your caption box. On Twitter, a great technique is to work their handle into your message. For instance, the message I'm putting in here is, consolidation weakens the security of our food system. Will you, Representative Greg Landsman, center local family farmers in the 2023 Farm Bill? If you ever need help with your messaging or support in tagging your legislator on social media, let us know by emailing us at policy@offa.org. You can make a difference with your story and your comment.